Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make biceps using bricks. First, always prioritize safety by ensuring a secure grip on your bricks. Choose bricks that are clean, free of cracks, and comfortable to hold. Start with lighter bricks to master proper form before increasing the weight. Remember to perform a brief warm-up to prepare your muscles. This helps prevent injury and ensures an effective workout. We'll cover essential techniques for building strong biceps safely and effectively. For the standard brick bicep curl, stand tall with your feet about shoulder-width apart, holding one brick in each hand. Keep your elbows tucked close to your sides, ensuring they remain stationary. Slowly curl the bricks upwards towards your shoulders, focusing on squeezing your biceps at the top of the movement. Then, lower the bricks with control, fully extending your arms. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 12 repetitions for optimal muscle engagement. Next, let's try hammer curls with bricks. Hold one brick in each hand with a neutral grip, meaning your palms face each other. Keep your elbows fixed and close to your body, just like with regular curls. Curl the bricks upwards towards your shoulders, maintaining that neutral hand position throughout the movement. Lower the bricks slowly and with control, feeling the stretch in your biceps and forearms. This variation targets both the bicep and brachialis muscles effectively. Proper form is crucial for effective bicep development and injury prevention. Maintain a straight back and engage your core to prevent swinging the bricks. Focus on the mind-muscle connection, really feeling your biceps work with each repetition. To progress, gradually increase the brick weight or the number of repetitions. Remember to allow your muscles adequate rest between workouts and consume sufficient protein to support muscle growth. Consistency is key for achieving your fitness goals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.